Now let's look at this. Let's work on this. The third term is equals to 27. While the seventh term is equals to 91. This respectively, okay? With this now, we can solve this to be a plus 3 minus 1 is what? 2d. Remember, it's tn equals to a plus n minus 1d. Okay? I'm just walking straight now because we have seen a lot of examples. If you have not watched the previous video, please go and start from the first video on this series. Okay? These are just what? Revision. Okay? This will give us 2d. While this one will give us 6d. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay? We can write this as a plus 2d equals to 27. A plus 6d equals to 91. Okay? I'm going to say this minus this will go, this will give us minus 4d equals to, this will give us minus 64. Okay? We divide both sides by minus 4. This and this will cancel. D, therefore, will give us 16. Okay? Now that we have D as 16, we need to get A. From this one, that is A plus 2D equals to 27. A is equals to 27 minus 2D. And our D is what? Is 16. Which is 27 minus 32. You agree with me, if you subtract this, you're going to get minus 5. A is equals to minus 5. So, what was the question? It says, find the first term, find the common difference. Also, we should find the 22 term, the 22nd term. So, the 22nd term is equals to the first term, minus 5 plus, this is 22 minus 1, which is what? 21 multiplied by D, which is 16, okay? This will give us 336. And you agree with me, if you work this out now, you're going to have 331. That is the 22nd term. Hope you understand this, the way it is solved. Okay?